In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error where you are told an error occurred on YouTube app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you have been trying to reload this and you can't access videos on YouTube, then there are quite a number of steps you can follow to fix this. In the first method, you want to check and ensure that you have stable internet connection before you try to log into your YouTube app. However, if you don't have any issue with internet but you still experience this, then you need to troubleshoot your YouTube app by going to settings, and from settings scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for YouTube, and here it is. Now here the first thing you need to do is to go to force stop and tap on force stop. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK, and finally clear all data. Then restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your YouTube app, everything should be up and running without any issue. But should you still experience the challenge at this point, check and then see that you're not using any VPN. If you have any VPN app turned on or any recently installed proxy app or security app, then turn them off or uninstall them before you try to use YouTube, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. In most cases, this should be okay. However, if you still encounter a challenge, then check and see if you have any update for YouTube by going to Google Play Store or App Store on your phone. And here, update your YouTube app to the latest version. However, even after trying all this, if you still encounter the same problem, then most likely YouTube has encountered an internal error. For that, you need to check back after some few minutes. Now your YouTube app should be up and running when you open it. As you can see, now mine is up. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.